back to Nonsense Farm. Today, my goal, with the help of Shannon and Celeste, is to get through every hive. We will be checking to make sure each colony is queen right, has food, and that mites are under control. You might notice that this audio is recorded later. Audio issues were the name of the game today in the bee yard. Well, issues in general. So the audio isn't going to be that great on this because a bee got in my bee suit and I was flailing around trying to deal with that, and Mike fell out of my pocket and I have no idea where it went. So I don't have a microphone, so this will just be camera audio. So sorry about that, but I thought I would fill you in on what's happening so far. The compost turner bees, these bees right here that we got out of our neighbor's compost turner, they are doing great. They have no mites. They don't have as much food as I wish they did. I moved them into a bigger box and I put a feeder in, and so I'll bring back some syrup. So far, the most mites we've had is 2. I figure here in a week or so I'll come back and follow all this up with an oxalic acid vaporization treatment, and that'll, knock down more mites, and then I'll do another vaporization Thanksgiving weekend right before my surgery. So that should put everybody in a really good position to make it through the winter with low mites. When we put in the mite treatments, we put empty honey scoopers on 2 big rooms for the mite treatment. Normally in the fall here in Texas, we're having what's called the dirt, which means there's no resources around. But look, they built a home, which is a testament to how much extra rain we've had up here this year. Just timed right. So anyway, they were making wax. So yeah, this is fun to open up and see. We continued checking hives one after another. When we had just a few hives left, another bee got into my suit and stung me right on the lip. So for the next few days, I'm either going to look like I've had botched lip injections or that my husband hit me for talking back. Here you can see that we are gathering bees in order to do the mite tests, which was a big theme today. Okay, that was crazy. So I got stung in my face. It's only been about an hour. I don't know how much you can see it. Tomorrow morning it will be much more swollen than it is now. We got through all but probably 5 of the hives. Mites are pretty well under control. There was one that had 6, so I'll put a like Apivar or something in there. But the rest of them I'll just hit them with oxalic acid in about a week. Yeah, the bees were crazy. And the bee suit that I have has zippers, which in theory sound good because then you can get away from the bees, you can unzip, you can get a drink, whatever. But wherever you have a zipper, that's vulnerability. So even while I was driving home, I ordered another bee suit that does not have zippers in the veil. So yeah, got stung 3 times today. Got stung here, I got stung here, and I got, I think I feel the stinger still there. I'll have to go get that out. Anyway, and I got stung somewhere on my leg. Anyway, so that was not fun. I'm hoping this new bee suit is gonna temper bees getting in my suit so often, because that is not what you want. But anyway, thank you for being with me on this wild ride of being in the bees today, and stay tuned for the next one. And thank you so much for watching. All right, bye.